If you can use this, I want to show you how you can make a spare key for your vehicle. We've got one fob for this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to make a spare key. Come to tomskey.com where you can place your order to get a programmer spare key sent to you today. Our programming solutions covered the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2023 with the push button start, and we're always working to add more vehicles to our website. You can add our key by photo service where we'll cut your new key before it ships. It's pretty amazing. It's important for you to know you've got to have at least one working key fob for your vehicle in order for Tom's Key Company to help you make a spare for your vehicle. Watch how easy this is. Okay, to get started, we've got one working key for this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee and have a spare key here. The original is an OEM with the Jeep logo. The spare is an aftermarket, which works just great. So during programming, you're going to have your key fobs far enough away from the vehicle so that only one key is detected. So to do that, you can get out of the vehicle and go find and set these inside the house, the other side of the garage. Make sure they're far enough away. So to check that they're far enough away, I'm going to try and start the engine. It doesn't want to start. It's giving us an error. It can't detect the keys. We can bring the keys in one at a time. Now we know where to set the keys so they're far enough away that we can program the new one. And here's the programming device. First thing you need to do is use your phone, scan, download the app. With the app installed, let's start programming. Going to come into key pairing here. Now first you need to scan the QR code on this device. It'll help it as it pairs with your VIN number. Make sure you get the QR code by the serial number right there. Okay, it warns you need an internet connection. Got to have all the keys that you plan to pair as well as your original keys and our pairing tool. So let's get going. We're going to come in and select our vehicle. 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And it asks if that looks like my original key. Yep, that key does look the same. Okay, we need to download a file for Jeep. Let's get that going. Now while we're waiting, I'll let you know the app will get better over time. So some of the steps may be a little bit different when you perform the programming process for your vehicle. So follow the instructions on the app. It should walk you through step by step, nice and easy. Okay, our Jeep data is installed. All right, we've got to plug our programmer into the OBD port. That's down near the gas and brake pedal. Come down here, you're going to have to look around until you find the port that it fits into and plug it in. Now, you'll see it light up. It's a little hard to see the light, so I'm going to use this extension cable. You can pick one of those up to make your life a little bit easier. All right, I got this guy plugged in. And let's go ahead and hit next, see the green light. Okay, we're going to scan for the Bluetooth. Okay, the phone pulls up. I see the same serial number there, ends 284. So let's try and pair it. Should get a pairing request. Yep. Okay, we're connected. We saw the light turn blue. It's connected. Turn on the ignition within 30 seconds. I pushed it twice. Saw the lights flash up. It shows run right here. All the lights on the dash turned on. Okay, we're going to take the original key in the vehicle, start the vehicle. Here's my original working key with the tile key finder. You can pick one of those up as well. Pairs to your smartphone so you never lose your keys. Let's start the engine. Push the brake, engine started. Okay, click next. Just checking the vehicle status. Communication going on here. Now this device pairs with the VIN for your vehicle, so you can use it to make multiple keys, but you can't use it on additional vehicles. Turn off the ignition. Okay, ignition's turned off. Turn on the ignition without depressing the brake pedal. Okay, I'm going to click it twice. See everything light up. All right, gives some important information. Key pairing will not cause existing keys to be erased. Up to 8 keys can be paired to the vehicle. This vehicle currently has 2. So somewhere in the world, prior car dealership or prior owner, somebody lost a key. And we only have one for the vehicle right now. So we're going to program one key. By the time we're done, it should go from 2 to 3 keys. Here's the new one we're going to pair. Okay, turn the ignition off. All right, turn on the hazards. Okay, hazards are flashing, communicating. It's going to take up to 10 minutes here. Make sure you have your air conditioner and your radio, headlights, anything that draws the battery. You don't want to drain the vehicle battery and have the vehicle computer struggling to get power during programming. Now, I will say if it's a hot day, you can roll down your windows before you start this process. You don't want to be getting in and out of the vehicle while the programming's going on. While we wait, a quick reminder, keep watching to see the magic of our Key by Photo service. Okay, we're almost done. There we go, we've reached 100%. Okay, remove all smart devices and paired keys from the vehicle. Place the first key to be paired close to the center console. All right, so I've got to go get this key away from the vehicle. Okay, notice it tells me where to set this key. I set the key right here. That's important because there's a sensor in there that will sense this new key. Okay, communicating. Countdown. First key. Repeatedly press and release. Unlock on the key within 30 seconds. Keep the key on the center console. Okay, key pairing complete. I just heard the doors lock. All right, that wasn't too bad, was it? Okay, that should be it. Let's test this thing out. I'm going to unplug the programmer. Turn off my flashers. This is the only key in the vehicle. The other one's far enough away where it can't be sensed. Look at that. Can you believe how easy that was? Why the dealership wants $400 for that, I don't know. Okay, let's make sure this original one still starts the engine. There we go, looks great. Okay, let's make sure the buttons work. Here's the existing one. Lock, unlock works. And here's our new one. Look at that. Let's test out our rear hatch. Here's our new key fob. There we go. Let's get it closed. Look for the Ultimate Key Bundle on our website. It has everything you need to make a spare. The programmer, the key or fob, and the Key by Photo service. Now, you want to make sure the emergency key blade in your new key is cut. Be sure you add our Key by Photo key cutting service. After you complete checkout, upload 3 pictures of your key blade from directly above so we can cut it so that your new key fob arrives with the key blade cut already fitting your vehicle. Visit help.tomskey.com to find helpful information. Or, within the instruction manual, there's a phone number you can call. Technical support is open there Monday through Friday, Eastern business hours. We'll help solve the problem to get your spare key fob made and working for your vehicle. And never fear, if we can't solve the problem, we've got a full money-back guarantee. Just let us know, ship everything back, and we'll refund all your money. It's that easy. Be sure you leave a comment to this video. Please let other people know if Tom's Key Company has helped you make a spare key for your vehicle, just how easy it was. Or if you got a rip-off price from the car dealership, leave a comment, let other people know how much money you save with the help of Tom's Key Company. Be sure you subscribe and like the video so you can find your way here again. When it comes time for you to program your key, visit tomskey.com and place your order today.